Hola mi gente, how's it going? My name is Hiro Aguilar, and in this video, we'll be doing another salsa basic variation called Guapea Quebrado. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright guys, before we begin, let me show you a quick demo of how Guapea Quebrado looks like with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, y. Alright, mi gente, let's get right into it, shall we? So let's start off with Guapea first. So nice and slow, we'll be doing this in a linear perspective. Going back with the left leg, we go back 1, forward 2, 3, at a slight angle, 5, 6, 7. Again, Guapea, 1, 2, 3, here we go. Quebrado, nice and slow. Going back with the left, first we go back, 2, together, and now right foot goes back on 5, forward to left, 6, feet together, 7. Again, Guapea Quebrado, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2 more, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3, ahí nada más. Alright, mi gente, so when doing Guapea Quebrado, you want to make sure, of course, you start off with the Guapea first. So you go back 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then you start off going back again 1, 2, 3. But rather than going to the side, this time you're going back 5, 6, 7. And notice how my body opens up as well. I don't want to open up too far out like this, like 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and I start turning, right? No. Just enough where I can open up just a little bit, and then 5, 6, 7. My chest is going at a slight angle, and 5, 6, 7, and there's nothing wrong with that. Or if you want to keep your chest forward too, just like this, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, that's perfectly fine as well. Whatever tickles your fancy. All right. So let's try this out with music in half speed and then full speed. All right, here we go. 5, 6, Guapea first. We go half time. 3 and 5, 6. One more. Guapea. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Quebrado. And 1, 2, 3. Right foot back. 5, 6, 7. Left leg back. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Guapea. Double time. Here we go. 5, 6, double time, Guapea, and on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and on 1, 5, 6, 7, and on 1, Quebrado, and back again, and 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 2, 5, 6, that's 1, 1, y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, that will conclude our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. To support the channel, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and hit that bell notification to be the first ones to know when a brand new video is uploaded to the channel. If you haven't seen our previous videos, there'll be a nice little playlist right here for you, so you can check out all the cool moves that we learned and then add this new basic variation into your back pocket. Until then, my name is Hiro. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends, y hasta la próxima.